Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English class, children. Today in this video, we will start a new chapter in English literature, and the name of the chapter is The Boy and the Toffees. See, children, this is your book, New Mulberry. Open your book at page number 60. Page number 60. This is page number 60 of your book. So open this book and open the book at page number 60, and the chapter that we will do is chapter 6. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? The Boy and the Toffees. Okay children, do you all like to eat chocolates, toffees? Yes, we all love to eat toffees, right? So you also like to eat toffees. So just like you, there is a small boy in the story who loves to eat toffees. Now how he manages to get the toffees, let us read in the chapter. Okay, we will study how the boy managed to get the toffees. Okay, now the boy and the toffees. So take a pencil in your hand and an eraser. If you find something difficult, you can underline. Okay, now here in the picture, at the beginning you will find 3 pictures. So here in the picture, discuss what happens in it with your discuss what happens in it with your class. So suppose now, as we are not in the class, you can look at the picture and you see what happens if this type of thing happens. What is the picture? Now see the picture. See, here we can see a mummy and a son, right? So a small child is there in mummy's hand. We can see a jar of chocolate. Then after that, the next scene is the boy is sitting on the couch and eating the chocolate. See, the full jar is in his hand and he is going on eating, I think. Then what happens? See here. What happened? He finishes the jar of toffees. Okay, in one go, and then what happens? Stomach is aching. Okay, is it good to consume so much at a time? No, it is not good. Okay, so what happens if you eat too much of chocolate? Then this your teeth also, it gets decayed, and then what happens? Then your stomach also aches, right? So it is not good to eat too many chocolate, but it is good. You should have it just 1 or 2 in a day, not more than that. Okay, and not every day also. Okay, now let us read the story about a boy whose name is Arnab, who learns a valuable lesson from this. Okay, something happened to him and then he learns a lesson of not doing that again. So what is that? Let us read. Let me read it out loudly once for you. You listen to me and then I'll explain it to you. What you can do, you will point your finger. Okay, one day, mother put some toffees in a jar to give away at Arnab's birthday party. She doesn't tell anyone about it. Arnab hides behind the door. He sees his mother hiding the jar of toffees. Arnab knows that his mother goes out to buy groceries every Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Arnab eagerly waits for his mother to leave. Later in the day, when mother leaves the house, Arnab gets a chance to take some yummy toffees. Now, Arnab is a very small and a very naughty child. He's like you all. We all are naughty when we are young, right? So you can see in the picture, this is Arnab, this is Arnab's mother, this is a shelf where mother is keeping something. What is that? See now. So one day what happened, Arnab's mother, she put some toffees in a jar. So in a big jar, her mother put some toffees. Okay. Then to give away at Arnab's birthday party. So maybe his birthday was coming near. So his birthday was approaching. So her mother bought some toffees and then she put those toffees in a jar, and then she wanted to put that jar in a safe place. So what she was doing, she didn't tell anybody about that. Even she didn't tell anything to Arnab also, that for your birthday I have brought some toffees, because she knows how Arnab is. We all know how the little children are. So she doesn't tell this to anyone. Then she was hiding the jar of toffee on the shelf. Okay, on a shelf. Okay. Then what happened when Arnav's mother was hiding, I mean keeping that jar, the jar of toffee on the shelf, that time Arnav was hiding behind the door and he was looking very anxiously what his mother is doing. And he sees that his mother is hiding the jar of toffee on the shelf. Okay. Now, Arnav knows that his mother goes out to buy groceries every Wednesday. So, what is groceries? Groceries means the food and items that we buy in a store. Okay, in a food store or from a supermarket. Okay, so if we have to go to supermarket and or you can say to the nearby shop, isn't it, to get all the food items that we need, isn't it? So that work is done by your parents, mostly by fathers or your mothers, right? So he knew that his mother every day she goes for not every day, once in a week on Wednesday she goes out for the grocery, to buy the grocery, okay, to a grocery shop. So, and he knew that today is Wednesday. Now, mother will surely go out. Then what he will do? Then Arnav was eagerly waiting for his mother to leave, and he knows that today is Wednesday. Mother will go out, and then I will. Okay. Then later in the day, when mother leaves the house, after some time, his mother left for the grocery shopping. Then Arnab gets a chance to take some yummy toffees out of that jar because he had seen, right? Now, he drags a stool to the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar in a cupboard on the top shelf of a cupboard. Then he was very small. His hand cannot reach the shelf. So what he did, he drags a stool. He took a stool, where we sit. So he dragged one stool to the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar. As he has seen where his mother has kept the jar, he was small, short, he cannot reach it with his hand. Then he played a trick. What he will do? He thought, okay, he made a plan. Okay, he got an idea that I'll drag the stool, I'll stand on the stool, then I'll take that jar of toffee. And he did so. So he dragged a stool to the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar. Arnav is too short to reach the shelf. As I told you, he stand on the tool and takes the jar slowly, and then he stood on the tool and takes the jar from the shelf. Then what he did, he puts his hand into the jar, and then he put his hand into the jar. Okay, greedily, and takes as many toffee as he can. His hand can hold. Then greedily he was in hurry also, and he was very much tempted to eat those toffees. Then he greedily put his hand inside the jar and he was trying to take out as many toffees he could, okay, at one go. Then what happened? But he tries to pull his hand out, it gets stuck. But when he was trying to, his hand was full of those chocolates. Okay, then he wanted to pull it out, but what happened? It got stuck. Then his hand got stuck. Okay, then what happened? So he was not able to take out his hand from inside the jar. Then, but when he tries to pull his hand out, it stuck. The mouth of the jar is too small for his hand, and the mouth of that jar is small. Okay, when he could put his hand, but when he took so many that toffees, then that time he was unable to take his hand out with those chocolates or those toffees in his hand. Okay, then what happened? Then Arnav doesn't want to lose any toffee. If he was holding those toffees like this, he doesn't want to lose the toffees. If he leaves some toffees, then easily he can take out his hand from inside the jar. But he was not ready to leave those toffees. Okay, so then what happened? No matter how hard he tries, I'm on page number 61 now. Okay, so Arnab does not want to lose any toffee. No matter how hard he tries, he is unable to take out his hand and he begins to cry. He was unable to take out and he was not ready to lose some toffees also. So he started to cry. Just then his big brother Rohit sees Arnav crying. Just then his big brother, whose name was Rohit, okay, he heard that Arnav was crying. Then gently Rohit placed a hand on Arnab's shoulder and says, and gently Rohit hold the shoulder of his small brother, younger brother, and said, hold only half of the toffees and you will easily get your hand out. So he said, leave some toffees, hold only some, half of the toffee you leave inside that jar and take only half of the toffees that are there in your hand. So hold only half of the toffees, then you can easily get your hand out. Okay, then you may have some more toffees some other time, then you can have some more toffees on some other time. Right. Arnab smiles at Rohit. Then Arnab understood. Then he smiles at his brother. He stops crying. Then wiping his nose with the other hand. Then he was wiping his nose with the other hand. Okay, Arnab let some toffees go, but he was not ready to leave. Okay, then what to do? He couldn't, his hand got stuck in the mouth of the jar, so he had to leave. So he left some toffees inside that jar and took few. Then now he is able to take his hand out smoothly, and now he is able to take out his hand smoothly. Okay, now this is the end of the story. So we'll do the question answer in the next class. Okay, read the question and read the chapter nicely. If you find some difficult word, you can underline also. Okay, thank you.